Floki, are you on an adventure? So, woodpecker? I mean, once we sit down, this is... I'm speechless, actually. There's a water slide. Look, a water slide.
Is the kitchen ready? Do you need anything other than water?
A garbage bag.
A garbage bag. I got you.
Okay.
Please, sir, could I have some pasta?
You have pasta. Now you get slops.
That's such a good camping meal.
Yeah.
Thanks for cooking. Good looking. Man make fire. Man happy. You good?
I'm good.
Tired?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, cheers. Happy not thinking about it anymore. Yeah. In the morning, this is what our setup looks like. Right next to this beautiful lake, where Allison is having her morning coffee. Good morning, Floki. What are you up to? I can see what you're up to. You got a stick, and you're eating some grass, I see. For breakfast, ladies and gentlemen, I am making a breakfast hash with hash browns, eggs, bacon, and cheese, and a lot of hot sauce. Come take a look. Ah.